Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Computer Networks and Internet Protocol, Week 11, Assignment 11. So the first question is, which of the following addresses is used in Ethernet broadcast for ARP request? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, you can see 0 into FFF and so on. So the answer of our first question is C. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which field is in an ARP packet is not filled in ARP request but filled in ARP reply? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B, target hardware address. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which protocol does DHCP use at the transport layer? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says UDP. So the answer of our third question is C, UDP. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is are correct about RARP? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says RARP. If a thin client workstation need to know its IP address, now DHCP have replaced RARP. So the answer of our fourth question is B and D. And now let's go to our question number 5. To deal with hidden terminal and exposed station problems, all implementation of 802.11 LAN must mandatorily support dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says to deal with these two problem, 802.11 support two modes of operation, DCF distributed coordination function and PCF point coordination function. All implementations must support DCF, but PCF is optional. So the answer of our fifth question is A, DCF. And now let's go to our question number 6. When a new trunk link is configured on an iOS based switch, which LANs are allowed over the link? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says VLAN tagging is used when a link needs to carry traffic for more than one VLAN true link, as packets are received by the switch from any attached end station device. A unique packet identifier is added within each header. So the answer of our sixth question is A. By default, all VLANs are allowed on the trunk. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which VLAN technique is used when a single link needs to carry traffic for multiple VLANs? So these are the options, and the answer of our seventh question is B, trunking. And now let's go to our question number 8. A switch has been configured for three different VLANs, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. A router has been added to provide communication between the VLANs. What type of interface is necessary on the router if only one connection is to be made between the router and the switch? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is D, 1 Gbps Ethernet. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which of the following specifies a set of media access control and physical layer specifications for implementing LANs? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says 802.11 wireless LAN working group. So the answer of our ninth question is C. And now let's go to our question number 10. In a LAN of 100 hosts, each host sends an ARP request once every 10 seconds. Each ARP packet is 64 byte including Ethernet frame. What is the total ARP traffic generated per second? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is B, 640 bytes second. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.